Students, in this video we'll continue the topic that is asexual reproduction in plants. In asexual reproduction in plants, I'll take here the vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation mean the asexual reproduction by vegetative propagation by stem, by leaf, by root, and from these stem, leaf, root are actually called vegetative propagules, which help in the production of new individual. I'll take here firstly that is stem, vegetative propagation by stem. In the stem there are many types. The first one, that is a runner. In the runner the stem is actually horizontal, and the stem is very strong or tight, or you can say stout, and from this runner like this, that is the stem, and this is horizontal or parallel to the ground level, and here the nodes are present. From the nodes new branches are arise, or new plants are arise. The second one, that is the offset. Offset is actually also a horizontal stem, but in this case suppose this is the nodes and there is a plant is arise, and now the internode become actually fleshy, you can say it is soft, and a long internode. After the long internode there is a node, and that's why there is a new branches is arise. So that is actually called offset. Vegetative propagation by offset. In the runner the stem is horizontal, and there is lots of nodes, and in this case lots of nodes and internodes, and in this case in this offset the stem is soft, and a long internode is present. And now we'll take here the tuber. Tuber is also a stem. It is underground stem, and in the on the tuber there is some scars are present, and these scars contain some bud like structure, yellow bud like structure. From this yellow bud like structure a new plant arise. This is the example of potato, and in the runner the example is cynodon, which is also called douglas, and that is offset. In the offset the example is Eichhornia, and tuber. In the tuber the example is potato, and the fourth one, that is the rhizome. In the rhizome there is that is rhizome, and in this rhizome there are some lines are present, and these lines works as nodes. From these lines or from these nodes the new plant arise, that is a bud. Example of this one, that is the ginger, and the next one, that is the bulb. In the bulb the stem is bulb like this, and from this bulb a new plant is arise. Example, that is onion and garlic, and the next one, that is a corm. In the corm again the stem is actually fleshy, and it also contains the scars like structure, that is example colocosia. In the case of the sucker, in the sucker the stem is not horizontal, in fact it is just below the ground, that is called the sucker. Example chrysanthemum. And the next one, that is the stolon. In the stolon the stem is not horizontal again, it is above the ground level like this. This is the stolon, and the example of this one, that is the strawberry. So these are the vegetative propagation by stem.